how to freeze panes in Excel spreadsheet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily freeze the panes for easier work in your Excel sheet. So let's dive right in. Open up your Excel file and then now go to the view option on the ribbon bar on the top and then select the column that you want to freeze. Just select it and then go to freeze pane option right here. So freeze a portion of the sheet to keep it visible while you scroll through the rest of the sheet. So if there is a lot of columns, it will make the scrolling easier. This is useful for checking out data in other parts of your worksheet without losing your headers or labels. So you just have to tap on it and tap on freeze panes. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.